What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, we're going to be taking a first impression look at the Gerber Splice multi-tool. So stay tuned to the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're going to be taking a look at the Gerber Splice multi-tool. I picked this up over on Amazon. Regular price, $23.73 for this multi-tool. It had really good reviews, and I was like, you know what, got to try it out. I love my Gerber products. You can't go wrong with it. Says it's a 10 function. Well, Amazon says it's a 10 function. The package says 8. So we're gonna dig into this and see. So it's a little bit chewed up. My dog got a hold of my Amazon package before I did. Didn't know, I guess he thought there may have been something in there for him, but it wasn't. It was just for me. So he chewed it up a little bit, but it's all good. So we're gonna be using the Gerber flat iron to get into this package. Big cleaver blade. If you like this knife, you like what it looks like, I did a review. You can go check out the card up top. I'll put it up there. You can go check out the review of the Gerber flat iron. So let's see if we can't, I need to sharpen this flat iron is what I need to do. So, now if you're new to my channel, I like to do first impression videos of these kind of tools like this. Just see like kind of overview of quality and overview of tools, and then come back after I've used it for a little while and give you a review of it. Definitely need to sharpen the flat iron. I've been using it a whole lot lately. So let's get this out without cutting ourselves, because it's in there. All right, so here is the Gerber Splice. Let's close it up so we can see full size. There we go. Kind of small multi-tool. That's what we like. It's a little bit bigger than the dime. If you saw any of my videos on the dime, I've done reviews and testing of it. I'll also put a card up top for the dime. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit wider than the dime. We've got a keychain hole here, or lanyard. Let's see what we have on outside pockets. I kind of like the little metal touch. I'll put some close-up pictures of it. So everything's really stiff because it is brand new. We got a knife blade. How do we get to that? Probably from the inside. All right, so we got a serrated blade on the outside. I feel like that should open. And then we have a bottle opener and a flathead screwdriver. And then we have a really small flathead screwdriver. And we have a file and flathead screwdriver on the outside. That's all the outside. So, make sure I haven't forgot anything, missed anything. And then when you open it up, you have a pair of spring-loaded scissors. Well, there's no spring, but they're loaded. All right, so you have a pair of scissors, feel pretty sharp. They are very pointed. So yes, pretty cool. It feels durable. It is all metal. I can't tell if that's plastic right there, but everything feels like it is metal. I like the look of it. It feels really durable and feels really solid. It's got good grip. All the tools open out all the way. They don't lock, but they do open out all the way. And a really cool feature, I have to do this really on close up, but your bottle opener opens up and it's double. If you can see that, pulls up double there. So you got a screwdriver on one side and a bottle opener on the other. It said something about a hideaway lanyard hole, but I guess it's because it's slimline. You can take the key ring off and it'd be really slimline and not be in your pocket too bad. So there it is, the Gerber Splice. So we're gonna test this out. I'm gonna throw it in my pocket for a little bit. I'm gonna throw it on my keys. We're gonna test it out and see how we like it. Give it the Bearded Outdoorsman test. see how it does. We're gonna test all these functions out, see how they work. Well, there you go. If you're interested in checking out the Gerber Splice, I'll have a link to it on Amazon and Gerber in the description below. You can go check it out. Judge it for yourself. It runs about $24 and it comes in at 2.4 ounces. I had left that off, and I'll try to throw in some measurements because Amazon didn't really have good measurements on it. So I'll try to come in with some good measurements on the screen, in the description, or something like that, so you'll know size. There you go. Gerber Splice. That's all I got for today. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.